Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to solve this sum in copy isometric. Now if you see this sum, in this length is 70, height is 52 and width is 42. The longer portion is length. If you see this is 70, 40 plus 30. So 70 will come on left, right we will have 42 and height we will have 52. So first we will start with this 30. So we'll mark 10, 10, 10. See this T shape we need to draw. So from bottom also I'll mark 10, 10, 10 and I will extend. This is 12. See, you will get this T shape. After that, see this height is 20. You extend this. This is 45. See, this is 10. This height 32 minus 18, 14. So we can take 14. This I'll take 32 down. And 18 up. We can draw this part also first. This is given 45. See this 45. Go up. Here also you go up by 20. Join this to this. This is how it will come. Then this we can do it dark. This 14, 18 down. From down it is 18, from up it is 14. This is 14. Then this length is 18. It is not given. It is 18. So we'll take 18. And we'll join this. Same way you take this behind by 10. This also behind by 10. This goes down. So we are assuming that behind also it will be same. So I'm taking 10, 10, 10 and same kind of a slope. If it is different, then they will mention. If it is not, then we have to assume it to be same. Now we'll draw this part 13, 16, 13. And then we'll extend the line on both the sides. Then we'll draw a vertical line which is 12. So I'm taking 12, 12 on both the sides and I'm joining it. After that, you take this line vertical. Draw a line from here and line from here. So you'll get that depth. This way. So we are done with this sum. What we can do labeling and dimensioning, that is 30-30 degree, length, width and height. And then we are done with this copy isometric. Thank you.